look, y'all. All the lights on the dash, man. Got this flickering, man. We in the system, man. Time to tune this thing. Ain't no going back now, man. So, y'all boys stay tuned. Y'all boys, so if y'all haven't know by now, we is getting the Hellcat tune, man, y'all boys. So, the day is finally come. Just got the PCM back, as y'all can tell. Just got it back unlocked, and you know what I mean? Like, we finally about to go ahead and tune the cat, y'all boys. So, yep, the summer is there. The summer is here, man. So y'all boy, we told y'all boy to stay tuned, right? It's gonna be one crazy summer, man. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. First, we gotta put this PCM back in. You know what I mean? It just came back from being unlocked, and the Hellcat is ready, y'all boy. Look, as y'all can tell, like, I already took out the PCM. Had to take it out. It's really these little clips right here. It's like little clips. What is that? Yeah, these clips right here is like 6 or 8 of them. And when I took the PCM out, it was on this bracket, and it was holding on this bolt right here. So, like, I don't think y'all really understand, like, what really bought the gold. Like, I don't know. Like, this took a long time, y'all boy. This one really took a long time, but shoot, it's enough waiting, man. It's enough waiting, man. So, I'm gonna go ahead and call my tuner. Let's see if he answered, man. Let's see. Hold on. I'm gonna call him on the spot real quick. Call him real quick. Yo.
Hey, what's going on?
What's going on? Yeah, I'm recording right now. If you want to say, I told him, but I was gonna give you a shout real quick so you can, you know, I ain't put the PCM in yet. I gotta put it in, but it shouldn't take me that long.
Make sure your battery's disconnected when you put the PCM in.
Yeah.
And when you're connected to the car with the device, make sure you clear the codes. If I can get that first data log, I can get you a really good base, but make sure when you're in it, you're on it, because I'm gonna go off that data log you sent me. So make sure that one data log when you're wide open throttle, 3rd and 4th gear. Make sure you're on it, you know what I mean? If you got a downshift, to make sure you're getting faster RPM or however you're gonna do it to, you know how the car drives, you know what I mean?
Right. Yeah, I got
you.
you.
Do that, and then, yeah, we'll perfect the performance part, and then by the end of tonight, you'll have flames on that thing.
Tonight? So flames guaranteed tonight.
Yeah, if you start now, probably within the next 2 hours, I can get the flames on and the tune.
Damn, okay, well, I need to hurry up then. I got you then, for sure.
Get excited and let this at least hype you up to get it all done real quick.
Hell yeah, that's what I'm saying. I brought out the camera, got my batteries done, all type of stuff. So now I just got here to put this PCM in, and yeah, it's about that time, man. So yeah, I'm excited, bro. I just gotta, I ain't dry that joint. I gotta see that joint real quick. So.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be it. You'll see.
Alright, that's a bet. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this together, and I'm gonna call you right back after I get done. Or after the things that you told me to do. So yeah.
Do that and then call me right back.
Okay. Alright, man.
Alright, later, bro.
Alright, y'all boy, y'all heard him. You feel what I'm saying? He said that by the end of tonight, y'all should see the cat shooting some flames, man. So, and this y'all about to get tuned. So, it's not gonna just shoot flames. We is doing performance to this thing too. So, we ain't tell y'all about that yet. But y'all, you know what I mean? We ain't gonna tell y'all too much in this video right here, man. But the cat is gonna shoot flames tonight. Y'all heard him. So, I'm gonna try to take y'all boy with me, and let's go ahead and put this PCM in. Alright, y'all, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but as as of right now, we started the data log. I gotta do a data log for the cat. So yeah, I gotta go get some data logs real quick, and I'll be right back, y'all, boy.